I'm genuinely 27 and genuinely a virgin. You know one funny thing, by the way, let me tell you.
Years, but okay.
Kuna dem juzi DM akaniambia niaje, by the way, I'll give you half a mic if you'll come and allow me to take your virginity. But nimekataa.
Half a mic.
Akaniambia niaje kidogo. I just laughed about it. Akaniambia okay, I'll make it double.
1M.
Let's make it 1M. Kuja, let me take away your virginity. Nikamwambia bado.
Like, wait, you're actually a virgin?
I am. On a serious note.
Nitumie namba yao dem tuongee naye. I'm not interested in the virginity. Nimesikia mita niko.
And akaniambia niaje, say tumefika place ameniambia niaje, I'll give even 3 mic basi.
Hey.
Let me just do it.
Let me imagine.
I don't have a number.
Tunaweza split 1.5.
For my virginity.
Tunaweza split 1.5, 1.5.
Alafu ndo ufanye job.